What if markets could think? Meet Varion, the world's first financial superbrain, built to think like an analyst, act like a risk strategist, and dominate with AI power. Start your day with Eagle Eye, real-time macro intelligence distilled into one glance. Look into the future with the AI strategist, algorithmic breakdowns, forward scenarios, and risk maps. See flows, catalyst shifts, curated sentiment shifts before the crowd does. That's your edge in seconds. Built by ex-hedge fund and Wall Street engineers, Varion turns fragmented market noise into clarity in just seconds. For the first time ever, we're opening private beta access to just 1,000 early users. You'll get lifetime pricing unlocked, access to our future modules, and direct access to our feedback loops with our founder team as we elevate this ecosystem together. When those 1,000 seats are gone, they're gone for good. If you want to be a part of the new financial revolution in technology, join the beta at beta.varionalpha.ai before spots close.